Welcome to the greatest show on earth, where the audience participates in every trick, every dare, and every surprise. A mysterious sideshow at a traveling carnival. No one knows what goes on inside that tent until now. Come step right up and enter the Phantom Carnival. It's 1893 and 14-year-old Ava is spending the summer with her father who travels with a carnival. Her favorite part is the grand spectacle, a magic show performed in a big top tent filled with strange special effects. But when no one in the audience participates, the show flops. So Ava's dad, the ringmaster, has to come up with a new way to draw in customers. That's when he meets Mr. Bones, a creepy but charismatic sideshow performer who lures customers into his tent with promises of a thrilling ghostly adventure. Ava sneaks in and discovers the secret behind Mr. Bones' macabre magic. The rides and games at the carnival are powered by friendly ghosts who feed off the joy and laughter of the living. They use their spectral strength to make the carousel horses dance, flip-flop, and fly through the air. The strong man uses a ghost to lift heavy weights. And even the Ferris wheel gets a little ghostly boost when the wheel starts to slow down. But the ringleader isn't satisfied with just running a sideshow. He wants to take over the whole carnival and bend all the spirits to his will so he can become the most powerful phantom of them all. The ringleader orders his goons to capture the carnival's ghosts, starting with the one that powers the carousel. As the strongest ghost, it would be the key to unlocking the carnival's limitless potential. While the ringmaster distracts the other performers, Ava sneaks into the phantom jail cell to free the captive spirits. But when she gets there, she finds the door is locked. She needs to find another way in. While searching for an entrance, Ava stumbles upon a small opening. It's too narrow for her to fit through, but she remembers the ghost of the carousel. With its help, she should be able to get inside. Ava closes her eyes, concentrates, and calls out to the ghost, but nothing happens. She tries again, this time adding a little more emotion to her plea. Still nothing. Ava takes a deep breath and imagines how she would feel if she were the ghost, trapped and scared. Now she understands why the ghost doesn't want to help her. It's too afraid. Ava reassesses her plan. Sneaking past the leader's goons and freeing the ghosts won't work. She needs a distraction. Suddenly, she remembers something her dad told her about the ringleader. He hates being laughed at. If Ava could make him laugh, maybe he'd be willing to listen to her side of the story. She strikes a pose and does her best impersonation of the ringleader. His goons erupt in laughter, and Ava takes her chance to slip inside the phantom jail. She lets the ghost of the carousel know that she's there and asks for its assistance. Then, holding onto its flowing mane for dear life, she uses the ghost's spectral powers to break the lock on the cell door. The other ghosts are so happy to be free they begin to levitate Ava around the tent, but she quickly puts a stop to that. She has to get to the ringleader before he locks everyone else out of the carnival. As the ghosts work together, they bust through the tent wall, allowing Ava and the others to escape. The ringleader confronts Ava, but before he can stop her, she steps into the center circle, bows dramatically, and tells him everything he's doing is wrong. She says the carnival is supposed to be a place where people and ghosts can come together and have fun. The ringleader laughs, but his goons aren't so sure this plan will work. They start poking fun at him, which only makes him angrier. As the ringleader fumes, Ava uses the distraction to strike, delivering blow after blow. Just as he's about to retaliate, the ghost of the Ferris wheel places a hand on his shoulder, causing him to jolt with fright. The other ghosts join the Ferris wheel ghost, each one taking turns surprising the ringleader with a spooky shoulder tap. The ringleader runs for cover, tripping over his own feet in the process. Ava and the others chase him outside, where he quickly runs off. Ava looks around to see the damage the ringleader has done. Many of the tents are torn, and some of the props are broken. But the worst thing is the damage he's done to the big top. Without its large canvas roof, the grand spectacle tent is no longer safe to perform in. As Ava and her friends regroup, the ghost of the strongman hands Ava a toolbox. It's time to get to work repairing the damage. And even though the ringleader is gone, the real work of rebuilding trust between the living and the dead has just begun. Now it's time to put your imagination to work. What other worldly occurrences have you experienced? Share your ghostly encounters below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more chilling tales. See you next time.